Let's see how to create a local account in Windows 11. A local account doesn't require an email address and doesn't sync your data to the cloud. To start, open Windows Settings, go to Accounts, and click on Other Users. Click on Add Account, then select I don't have this person's sign-in information. Next, click on Add a user without a Microsoft account, then provide a username and password for the new local account. By default, the user account will be a standard account. If you want to give the account administrator privileges, click on Change Account Type, then select Administrator. Making this user an administrator also allows you to delete the existing Microsoft account if you want. To delete the Microsoft account, first log in to the new local user. Then open Settings, go to Accounts, click on Other Users, select the Microsoft account, and click Remove.